Hello, amazing traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Sean Forex, and this is market update on gold analysis. And right now, we predicted that gold is about to move 600 pips, and that is exactly what market is doing right now. As I'm speaking this morning, 3:10 a.m., gold has actually moved by 720 pips already, and is still moving to 902 pips. And that is exactly power of raw price action reading, patient consistency. You see, when you say, now, if I say 500 pips, 700 pips, these kind of pips are so easy to catch on US30 gold than Euro dollar, GBP USD. Because those market hardly moves. And if, for example, if GBP USD moves in a day, it's maximum of 150, 160 pips a day. So catching 600 pips in GBP USD might take you average of 1 to 2 weeks. But here we are on gold, market break out of this structure. Now, I was expecting market to actually come to the sell side liquidity to continue the sell side liquidity, but since we are working with a symmetric triangle, market can break out of any structure. Yes, because the most important thing of why this convergence was drawn was that we don't exactly know where market is going per time. And since we are reacting to the directions of the market, we are trying as much as possible to know where market is going and play with it. So I was expecting personally, like, okay, maybe this market is actually continue. It is a side liquidity, but I put a comma that since it is symmetric triangle is a combination of continuation chart patterns or reversing chart patterns. So therefore, until it breaks out, we can't do nothing. And this is exactly what happened. This was first breakout. Yes, this first line was the first breakout market did. And it happened, it moves by 300 pips. But something amazing happened that makes me to actually doubt the movement of the market, that market is actually changing trends. When market breaks the structure to this key level, which if you look to your left is the previous support of these key zones, what happened? Market could not break this key level. Now, not just that market could not break this key level, something amazing happened. Market begins to form chart patterns. Now, market is now forming another chart patterns again, which seems like a pure reversal chart pattern. And what is that chart pattern? Inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. Let me draw it for you so that you can see. Inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. So market was doing a form of consolidation. Then market started. Now this is where the consolidation began. So market was doing sideways. The market look as if market is about to break out. Then market dropped to this key level. Then reverse. Then come to this key level. Reverse again, which is sell-side liquidity, but market could not break this structure. Then move to this key level and come and test this red trend line. And what happened? We haven't recovered from 88. So when you understand, like I used to say, if you have watched the previous video, that co-integration is the ability to combine different time frame, different strategy together in order to form a concise decision of where market is going. Because when you have the bias of the market, one strategy is not enough, like they used to say. One strategy might not give you the kind of what you are looking for. But if you can combine two strategies together, it gives you much more edge over others in the market. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. Now, this is 1 hour time frame. As you can see now, this is our massive head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder chart patterns. So let me pick head and shoulder chart patterns. Market came to this level, pull up, then form our head, then come to this key level, then form our shoulder chart patterns, and that was all. So immediately markets came to that key level, I knew that this is what we need. This is exactly what we need. So you can see now. Now, look at this is pure the neckline. So when you understand what market is doing, it gives you an edge over others in the market. Now, are you seeing this now? So pure price action, no indicator, nothing. Now, not just no indicator, nothing, because we are able to come to a higher time frame. Like I used to say, if this time frame was 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and it is so easy to predict a market that has already moved. Any dummy can come to this place now and say, market moved this way, and when we enter this way, market was moving. No, 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 no. It's so easy to say that. But the most important one is before market begins to do what it's supposed to do, can you come into the market and run the analysis? Please, if you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button. Click, share with friends and family on your notifications for future market analysis, because this will actually help you a lot. So immediately I saw the inverse head and shoulder right away in 1 hour time frame. I know that something is cooking up. So what did I do? I didn't, because after this place I exited the market when market was reversing back. Then I waited. So when market came to this key level, come and retest again. Then I was looking at what market is doing. The market was doing a lot of sideways here, buy again, then drop this buy again to this key level. So then I was watching. Then when market retest this resistance, the support again, this support level, market came to test it and reverse to this key level. Yes, this guy again. To come and touch it, I knew that then this is the right time to enter. Pure right time. As I'm speaking right now, this is already 600 pips. This is live market. This is 660 pips, 66 pips. Imagine entering the market with just 0.1, which is 0.10. Even your account, that will be $660. Yes, it will not happen every time. That is why we are swing trader. That is why we are swing trader. So we did not just click buy and sell button every time. But when you are clicking buy and sell button, you are like a sniper. And I'm expecting market to actually put this thing to this key level. Yes, I'm expecting market to fulfill this 100%. Then after this 100%, then I'll be looking at market reaction again, which is 100% of this convergence. Yes, this is key level I'm expecting market to come to. I'm expecting market to, because market can decide to reach here and reverse back. So market is actually coming to 2,700 harms, and that will be in total of 738 pips. Yes, I know it is difficult sometimes to, but come to higher time frame gives you more insight. It gives you more idea of what market is doing. So come to 4 hour time frame, plot your key levels, understand what market is. You ask yourself, what is the bias of this market? And have a open mind, because I think that I had a closed mind here. This market would have been buying, I would be clicking selling, 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 selling. Yes, that was me some years ago, because I'll be expecting that I have already run my analysis. I'm expecting this market to sell. So anything I'll be seeing every single day, my bias will not be buy again, it will be sell. But I've moved, we have matured. We have understand the nature of the market right now, and this is exactly what happened. And I was even when market reached this key level, and market was doing as if it wants to reverse. I just closed this trend line. Yes, because like I said, there are many strategies to understand the nature of the market, and this trend line helps me to know that market is not reversing yet. So how was I able to know with this trend line? This strategy is called trend line breakout. Yes, it's another tool of mine, another pure strategy of mine I usually used. Trend line breakout. One of these days I will teach raw series on trend line breakout. So this trend line breakout gives me the clue of what market is actually doing. And you can see now that I already plot my key level in this previous resistance level. So that market is possible that market will use this key level and drop it massively. And market, you can see that there's a level of momentum is already reducing now. But no matter the case, market will still come here first. If it now reach this place, which is here, or market now come to this final level. Now, market reaction to this two key level will now be a determinant factor. If market will still continue the buy side liquidity, which is to this key level, or not. But until that time, imagine just one entry, 700 pips. But when you are saying it that you want to catch 700 pips in the market, people will think that no, 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 no. I was speaking to some of friends a few days ago, and they were like, 20 pips is okay. Yes, 20 pips is okay, but when you have developed yourself, when you have groomed yourself, when you have understand the psychology of the market, just one entry gives you everything you need. To those who took this trade now, that's all. One entry, one setup, one time frame gives you 600 pips. So if you don't trade again for trial this year, you are settled, because that is all about market. Like I used to say, that you are like a sniper. You are waiting for the right setup. You are not just clicking buy and sell based on emotions or based on what I told you. The purpose of this channel is to explain what market is doing for you, because market is the combination of order and chaos. Because when you enter the market and it does not go your way, what happened? Your emotion increased. You are panicking, you are trying to catch your pips back, you are clicking buy and sell, your emotion is on the roof, your risk management is not working again, you are angry, your blood pressure increased, and so on and so forth. So you need to be disciplined. You need to sit yourself down. This is 2025 you are going. If you want to be successful in this industry, if you think that you want to have a slightest chance of becoming successful as a trader, you need to give it time. You need to study what market is doing. You need to block out all the noise. There are markets are different. When you are dealing with gold, US 30, fixing, taking 100, 500 pips is so possible. When you come to 4 hour and 1 hour time frame and you run your analysis and you wait. But if you are in 15 minutes, 20 minutes, is no. So right entry, one setup, one time frame, and you will catch what you are looking for. In fact, as I'm speaking right now, market is almost here, which will reverse to average of 753 pips that market has moved from this key level to this key level. So understanding raw price action reading with level of co-integrations of different strategy to understand what market is doing will give you what you need. Will give you what you need. And that is the raw price action reading I have for you guys this morning. That this is not a joke. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe on your notification. If you have any question, drop your comment below. And because this channel was designed for you guys to help you, because that is what we all need. So 2025 is coming. Market raw price action reading analysis is going to be in odd form. I'll be doing massive training back to back, because my goal, my dedication for you guys is to be a profitable trader. You need to be profitable. Enough of taking signal group. If you're able to catch these pips now, that is 753 pips. You'll be in massive money by now, which is the more better. No signal group will give you 700 pips. Even if your psychology cannot catch this 700 pips, if you are able to catch it from that entry to this place, this is 311 pips, which is still huge. So you have to develop your psychology. But before you have access to of developing your psychology, you need to understand the nature of the market first. Yes, people used to ask me, what is so important? Is it psychology? Is it understanding market? Is it money management? The number one thing you need in this industry as a young trader is knowledge. You must understand the nature of the market first. You cannot just click buy and sell every time without knowing what you are doing. So once you understand the nature of the market, which is having an hedge like what I'm doing right now, the second thing you need to know is money management, because markets can be irrational as long as possible until your capital becomes solvent. What does it mean? It means that the volatility of the market, this sideways shit, this sideway from here to here, can stay longer as much as possible until you keep buy and sell button, buy and sell button, and buy and sell button until you blow your entire capital. Imagine those people who are forcing this sideways, 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 sideways. A lot of people have blown up their prop account, they have blown up their personal account in the name of catching sniper entry, catching, I'm a scalper, I want to scalp, I want to scalp. Whereas you that is a swing trader or day trader, you're able to come to Forex, plot your analysis, draw your key level, and be waiting for market reaction. And when there is a level of slightest chance of what market is doing, you respond to it. Because when market, this is the first one that we drew, this yellow line, when market react to it, we respond and we keep looking at what market is doing. So that when a lot of people think that this market is actually selling, and it came to this key level and there was a pure price action changes of help us grow so that we can do better. And I will see market will do. So I'm still watching to see whether market is coming to this key level. But this is where we actually decided that market is coming to before anything can happen. And that is exactly what we want. You can't catch all the pips in the market. As I'm speaking, I've already exited this market because I am done already. So I'm waiting for the right market precision again. Till I come your way again, be safe.